Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
So the Aussie dollar spent some time trading in this channel, right? It was trading at the bottom of this channel for some time this week. And then towards the end of the week, it finally broke out. And as it broke out, there was a retest of the bottom of the channel and then, it broke down even more. So over the next few weeks, if not days, we should see more downside coming for this pair. I've marked out 3 levels where we could see resistance. If you're not already in a short, wait for some kind of a pullback so that you don't get caught in the red. We're coming towards the end of the year. The last 2 weeks of December usually doesn't have much price action. So if you're not already in the short, wait for a pullback at one of these resistance level and then going for a short. Hopefully you can get in when the RSI is above the halfway point here at 50, right? Maybe even more. And if you're already in the shorts, remember to take profits on the way down.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there or until next week.